everyone, this is Laura Angel with Mississippi State University Extension in DeSoto County, and I just wanted to come on here and show you our Extension brown bag grab and go kits this week to kind of give you an idea of what's in the kit. This week we are focusing on leadership in both the brown bags for adults and our youth bags with our 4-H grab and go kits. So make sure that you come to the DeSoto County Extension office and pick up your grab and go kit this week. And so let's take a look as to what is in this week's kit. We are focusing all about leadership, and so we have a publication about looking at leadership and how to be a great leader, and so you can take a read on that and learn all about leaders. We are always looking for leaders here at the DeSoto County Extension office. We're looking for volunteer leaders, and so you can learn more about being a leader, and if you want to volunteer with us, we could always use a new volunteer. So join us in volunteering and learning about volunteering and leadership. And so this week it's Family Movie Night, and so we are encouraging you to select a movie. We've given you 5 topics, 5 movie titles with different streaming services available to you, your family, or you can check it out with the library if you wanted to go through the library system. And so I've given you some suggestions of movies. Pick a movie that looks good to you. You might even have the movie in your personal collection. And then there's some discussion questions that we kind of gave you so that you can discuss that movie with your family or talk amongst you and your spouse about the movie that you watched so that you learn more about teamwork and more about leadership. So if you do that activity, you're going to need some popcorn. And so we gave you directions on how to make your own homemade popcorn using your stovetop. And so we gave you all the supplies that you needed for making that homemade popcorn. So pop on into the DeSoto County Extension office, grab your family a kit this week, and enjoy a family movie night. Beat the heat and come inside and pop some popcorn, watch a movie, and then have a family discussion about leadership and what makes a great leader and how that you can be a leader in your community. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we'll try to answer those for you. We hope that you are enjoying these grab and go kits here at the DeSoto County Extension office. We are going to continue them into the month of July. So starting on Monday, you can come back to the DeSoto County Extension office and Monday, July 6th, and pick up the July kit. So come by and pick up this week's kit. Come back next week and get it. We look forward to hearing from you guys and what you're doing. Make sure that if you want to complete the challenge, drop me a text or send us an email so that your challenge could be counted for this month to try to win the prize. We hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much.